In this video, we will talk about free download and installing of Photoshop. If you watch this video fully, then you can download any version of Photoshop for free. At present, Adobe has brought many versions of Photoshop. So you can download and use whatever you like from it through this video. So you can download this software for free and you can also use it after buying it. But when we have to buy it and when we have to use it for free, it is also very important to understand. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download the free version. Some people should not use this free version. So first of all, let's know who should use the free version. So if you are a student or you have a computer that you use at home. Sometimes you edit your photo and sometimes you edit your family's photo. So in this way, you can use free software. If you are a student and you want to learn how to read and run it, then you can also download the free version. But if you want to run the software for business or office work, then you should buy the software. Because software Y is the best option for business. So here for the free version, I am telling you 2 to 3 ways from where you can download it. And you can also trust them. You have to download any version of Photoshop. Like Photoshop 7.0 has been a very popular software so far, which I also use at this time. In the same way, to download any version, you have to go to the Get Into PC website. And in its search bar, simply search the name of your software and download your software. I can't show you this in this video because it is against YouTube guidelines. Here you will get the full version of the software. Or the second way is that you can watch the full video tutorial on our Telegram channel. And if you want to get its direct download link, then you will also get it from where you can download in your system immediately. So for this, you have to subscribe and like the channel. And you have to take a screenshot by commenting a lovely comment. And send that screenshot to our Instagram account. There will be many options to download you. You will find the link of Instagram and Telegram in the description of this video. For more information, subscribe to the Telegram channel.
सब्सक्राइब कर लें।